Hey guys, today we're doing a air filter change on a 2017 Acura RDX. Should be the same for any RDX from 2013 to 2018. And it's really simple. I'll show you how to do it. The replacement filter we'll be using is the Molly, however you want to pronounce it. And there's the part number. So let's dive in. Okay, so this is a really straightforward air filter change, typical Honda. You got your clips here, clip back here, and then basically it hinges on this little plastic piece back there. I don't think you're going to need to take this off or to disconnect this airflow sensor at all, but we'll take a look. So pop it off, lift it up. You should be able to pull that air filter up. There's a little tab you can grab. Boom, out it comes. This filter is actually quite clean. I don't know when it's been changed last, but probably could have lasted a little bit longer, but it's a Molly. There's your part number, 3762. Should match up with the one we have. And cheap insurance. I mean, this costs $37, so. Okay, so there's a new filter, old filter. Like I said, it wasn't that dirty, probably didn't need to do it, but I just wasn't sure when it was done last, and it's cheap, so. But yeah, part numbers line up, LX3762. Okay, and to put it back in, just notice the tab there. That should be pointing out. There's no tab on this side, and this will be pointing down. The orientation is pretty straightforward, but the main thing is this tab should be pointing out. Slide it in. Slides right in. Push it down. Make sure the back is hinged in properly. The clip should go on quite easily without a lot of resistance. And you're done. Easiest job in the world. Literally takes 5 minutes. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for watching.